If you're spending more than $5,000 on a vacation, what's known as a big ticket purchase, and it should be insured. If you're cruising or taking a package tour, same thing goes for a complex or lengthy itinerary, or anytime you leave the country and you're on Medicaid. Why? Medicaid doesn't typically cover events outside the country. If you already have insurance that would cover a medical emergency or medical evacuation, you may not need a policy. Travel insurance doesn't cover everything. For example, say you're staying at a friend's house, using a voucher or redeeming frequent flyer miles for your vacation. Travel insurance would probably be minimally useful. Also, some medical conditions can't be insured. Check your policy for details. And finally, don't over-insure. For example, if your credit card or other insurance would cover the same event, then don't worry about it. Most travel insurance policies are called named peril policies, and they allow you to cancel or interrupt your trip if you experience what's called a covered reason. Your policy will include a list of covered reasons for cancellation or interruption and will pay you 100% of your non-refundable trip costs when you cancel for one of those reasons. The other type of policy is often called cancel for any reason insurance. It pays a percentage of your non-refundable trip costs. Cancel for any reason coverage is generally more expensive than a named perils policy. If the policy is less than 4% of the cost of your vacation, that should raise some red flags. And also if it's more than 10%. If it's really travel insurance, it'll be underwritten by a reputable insurer. First, send a brief, polite email to your insurance agent, notifying that person of your rejection. Agents often can and do act as intermediaries when something goes wrong with the policy. You can also contact your state insurance commissioner, who can look into your case. I've seen denials turn into successful claims just by copying an insurance commissioner. As a last resort, you can take the agent or your insurance company to small claims court. You don't need an attorney to go to small claims court, but there's a limit on the claim amount. Send us your travel questions to travel@usatoday.com. For USA Today Travel, I'm Christopher Elliott.